what you're bringing to the table.
By the book, Sonny, from here on. All right.
We're jumping the gun.
I got up to speed.
Idiom is a phrase in a language or culture that means something different from how it literally sounds. Bring something to the table, to contribute something of value to a project or a company. Helen was the right person to hire. She brings some important skills to the table.
What you're bringing to the table.
You bring nothing to the table.
Think outside the box, to think creatively and develop new and original ideas. To get out of this obstacle, we have to think outside the box.
A little bit more creative, think outside the box.
He's not thinking outside the box.
Get the ball rolling to make something start happening. To start, let's get the ball rolling by putting up some posters.
Yeah, we're gonna get the ball rolling. What do you think I'm doing?
Let's get the ball rolling.
And
I just got the ball rolling.
Get off on the right foot to start a relationship in a positive way. My sister hopes to get off on the right foot when she starts that new job.
Jimenez got off on the right foot.
Let's get off on the right foot.
Call it a day to stop working and go home. Enough for today. Let's call it a day and go home.
Dozer man.
Wanna call it a day?
And we'll call it a day.
Back to square one, to get back where it started. We went back to square one after wasting 2 full days.
We're back to square one.
Oh, great. We're back to square one.
By the book, strictly according the rules. Rules are not to be broken. Joseph does everything by the book.
Everything by the book.
By the book, Sonny, from here on. All right.
Call the shots to make the important decisions. Jackson called the shots when the boss is out of town.
Aren't the ones calling the shots.
You'll call the shots.
Kevin agreed to something you didn't want to accept previously. The management caved in to the demands of the union.
Just caved in.
Cut to the chase. Get to the point quickly. I don't have time now. I'm busy. Then cut to the chase.
Still, cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase.
A no-brainer. A decision that's very obvious or easy to make. Until recently, the decision was a no-brainer.
Simple Appy, a no-brainer case.
It was a no-brainer.
oh, that's a no-brainer. Yeah,
Touch base. To make contact with someone. Paul is going to touch base with this manager today.
We'll circle back and touch base later.
gonna touch base with Interpol.
It's not rocket science, something that's not complicated to understand. You should look it up on the web. That's not rocket science.
Not rocket science. Unfortunately, for you.
Absolutely, it's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science. It's football.
Up to speed. To be familiar with current information. People in that company are so good at helping me get up to speed.
I got up to speed.
Bring me up to speed.
Jump the gun. To do something early or before the right time. Some booksellers have jumped the gun and decided to sell it early.
We're jumping the gun.